Alright, these are going to be the elevators here at Building 1 at the Disney's Port Orleans Resort in Lake Buena Vista, Florida.
Is that Mickey Mouse?
Yep, and Riley's with me, as you can already hear.
Yep.
And we're going to take a ride on these.
Building 1.
Yep. That's, elevators are right here. Oh, they're all the way back here. I wouldn't have expected them to be over here. But yeah, you can see, but as we're walking here, you can see how beautiful the architecture here is. They kind of designed it to be like a, New Orleans French Quarter. I really like that design. Alright, we should be near it. Okay, I'm getting a feeling they're probably to my left.
Yep, even says it.
Yep, right here.
There they are.
Yep. We got more older series ones, probably custom as well.
That sounds like a Montgomery. That one, whatever, it's making that noise.
The lantern doesn't work on this one. Alright. So you want to send it up to 3?
Sure.
Here we go. Listen. Oh, that is epic leveling. We're gonna have to take another ride up and I'll have to get a closer view of it. That's your call button?
You know what that means, right? Second ride.
Yes. The lanterns don't appear to work on this bank, or this car anyway. One. Panel's just a little loose. Well, the phone box is, which... Surprisingly, this one doesn't have a Janus phone.
I bet the other one does.
It probably does, I don't know. But once we get up to the top the second time, we'll try to get the other one.
Yeah.
There's your fire service. I can hear the other one going.
Yeah.
Let's watch, see if it levels. No, not going down. Alright, we can send it up.
Series 14 is flush.
Listen. Alright, watch this. That is epic. Let's send it down. We'll get the other car.
Oh, it's going down again. Let's go back down to 1 or 2, I think.
Yeah, we'll get the other car. There it goes. Let's call this one. Love that red.
The best Series 1 I've ridden is that Whole Foods parking.
My favorite series ones are the ones at Columbia Center in Seattle.
The tallest building in Seattle.
Yup, and the tallest Elevonic 401s, and probably elevators with Series 1 fixtures. Now, the lantern on this car actually lights up. Dang, it's jammed shut. Oh!
Oh, it's not. It's just
surprisingly not a Janus phone either. This one's
a regular.
This one's brighter than the other one.
You just use your string to get it open.
Yeah. I probably could have gone open, it's just, you know, I didn't want to ruin the video here.
Yeah.
Anyways, here on 1, and we're gonna get off here.
I love Otis 211, older style, Series 1.
Yep.
There it goes. That's it.
There it goes, that's it.